Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn large numbers. In class 5, this chapter is there, large numbers. Let's start. We have already learned 6-digit numbers and 7-digit numbers. And where we have stopped in class 4? Largest 7-digit number is 99,999,999. Now when you add 1 with that, you will get 1 crore. Write 1, then write 7 zeros. This can be read as 1 crore. In other words, you can say 100 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. That means smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. Now I will explain why we are putting commas in between the numbers. We have learned now 8-digit numbers and smallest 8-digit number is 1 crore. When we write numbers, see this number we can read as 2 crore. 2 crore, and here you have noted that ones, tens, hundreds are always together. Ones, tens, hundreds are there in ones period. That's why these three places are together. Then thousands and 10,000s, th, tth, they are in thousands period. That's why thousands and 10,000s we have to write together. Lakhs and 10 lakhs will be there in lakhs period. That's why when we write lakhs and when we write a number, lakhs and 10 lakhs will be included in lakhs period. Then crore and 10 crore. 10 crore I didn't tell, only till 8-digit number I said, but when a 9-digit number comes also, crore, 10 crore will come, one more place will come. So that two numbers should be there together. This is the example for 9-digit number 20 crore. This is 2 crore. There you have to write crores place, put a comma. Then 10 lakhs and lakhs place, put a comma. 10,000s and thousands place, put a comma. Hundreds, tens, ones together. Here when you write a 9-digit number, 10 crore and crore together, put a comma. 10 lakh and lakhs, these two places write together and put a comma. Thousands and 10,000s together, put a comma. Hundreds, tens, ones, put a comma. This is just how we put the numbers according to its periods. I mean how we put commas according to its periods. Now based on these places only we can read these numbers. I told you from last to front you have to know all the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. These all are the places from back to front. Now front to back also you should know very well. 10 crores, crores, 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Based on these places, how to read different numbers? Let's see. We are starting with the 8-digit numbers. Already I told you 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number. Now if I write a number like this, how to read this number? 1 crore 1, 1 crore 1, then 1 crore 2, etc., etc. And we will get largest 8-digit number, that is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. This is the largest 8-digit number. 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Now let's see how to read other 8-digit numbers. See here, I have written an 8-digit number. Let's see. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. Crores, an 8-digit number starts from crores place. So how to read this number? 3 crore 51 lakh 71,003. Now I am not writing number names, orally I am saying, I will write after some time. 3 crore 51 lakh 71,003. So whenever you get a question, you have to see how many digits are there. If it is 8-digit number, you should think it is starting with a crores place. 6 crore 6,007. The other places are zeros. 6 crore 6,007. 7 crore 60 lakh 7,231. 7 crore 60 lakh 7,231. See these numbers. Again an 8-digit number. How to read 8 crore 84 lakh 20,105. I repeat 8 crore 84 lakh 20,105. 9 crore 90 lakh 90,900. 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. And this is the largest 8-digit number. 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. When you add 1 to it, you get a smallest 9-digit number, that is 10 crore. Let's see how to write it. See this number 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1. We get a smallest 9-digit number, that is 10 crore. 10 crore and crore together, put a comma. 10 lakhs and lakhs are together, put a comma. 10,000s and thousands are together, put a comma. Then HTO, hundreds, tens, ones together. This is how we write 10 crore. This is the smallest 9-digit number. So when you write this number continuously, you will get what? 10 crore 1, 10 crore 2, like that. These numbers will continue. Then we will get the largest 9-digit number, that is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Largest 9-digit number. Just understand like that. Largest 9-digit number, when you write, there are 9 nines you have to write. 9 times 9. 9 times 9 when you write, you will get largest 9-digit number. 8 times you write 9, you will get largest 8-digit number. When largest 8-digit number comes, how to do? Write 9. How many times? 8 times. Like this. Then this is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999. Now let's see how to read other 9-digit numbers too. How to read these numbers? This is a 9-digit number. So a 9-digit number starts with 10 crores place. 36 crore 72 lakh 15,131. You have to see the places: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. 36 crore 72 lakh 15,131. Here you can see I didn't put comma. Commas you have to put and separate. Ones, tens, hundreds. Put a comma. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then after that, I mean from back, put a comma. Thousands and 10,000s. Just put a comma. Lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores and 10 crores. Now you can read this number easily. 93 crore 84 lakh 5,060. 93 crore 84 lakh 5,060. Here also ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs, then crores and 10 crores. 17 crore 17 lakh 17,171. 17 crore 17 lakh 17,171. These two numbers I gave you to confuse you. You have to put comma and read it. Whether it is 8-digit number, 9-digit number, I don't know. You have to check. Shall we do? Yes. Start from last. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s together. Then lakhs and 10 lakhs. Then crore. It's an 8-digit number. 4 crore 34 lakh 17,698. 4 crore 34 lakh 17,698. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here. Thousands and 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs, then crore. 5 crore. This number, last number can be read as 5 crore. Now, I think you have got an idea how to read an 8-digit number and a 9-digit number. Let's read these numbers too. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. It's a 6-digit number, so 7,335. 7,335. Second one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 85 lakh 17,206. 85 lakh 17,206. Third one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. 6 crore, 17 lakh, 100. 6 crore, 17 lakh, 100. First digit was a 6-digit number. Second one was a 7-digit number. Third one 8-digit number. Now fourth one is a 9-digit number. So third one 6 crore, 17 lakh, 100. Last one 75 crore, 92 lakh, 11,290. 75 crore, 92 lakh, 11,290. Thank you.